And good evening. Weather not meteorologist Evan Hatter with a check of things here as our first big, well, one of our first bigger winter threats of the season is beginning to move in on the Wobbles community in south central Kentucky. Look at the radar out there this evening. Our update, of course, brought to you as always by On Target. Our update this evening showing you at least the precipitation depiction showing us that more rain look out there, but as several folks have reported, including our own Land in Hampton, I'm just checking the reports here, our own Land in Hampton reporting sleet falling at his house there in Warren County. Northridge subdivision, Melinda saying near Plum Springs, sleet was falling. This was about a half hour ago. Sleet in Allen Springs as well for Mary Beth. We are continuing to watch just before 7 o'clock that we are starting to switch things over to at least a little bit of sleet in at least parts of the Wobbles community here this evening. Of course, we do have the winter weather advisory kicking in here shortly. As we look outside, we're noticing that look of oncoming precipitation, if you will. D93 Skycam downtown Bowling Green, looking up the hill at this hour, and you'll notice that we've got those low-hanging clouds, the undersides of which being lit up by the city lights out there. Yes, we are watching the rain and the snow, or at least the rain and the sleet, beginning to work into the region this evening. You'll notice, and we're going to get a little bit more in depth here in just a moment. We've got no reports of accidents at this point or anything like that, certainly no power outages, but we'll talk about, you'll notice that we're increasing the precipitation, and we're going to be fighting what's called the warm nose as we head through the nighttime hours tonight. That is what's going to give us the potential for a little less in the way of snow and perhaps a little more in the way of sleet or even freezing rain. Not a ton of freezing rain, but as we go through the night, it will be something we'll have to watch. We're just updating the radar here in the background. The view from our WRUS Skycam in Russellville, the precipitation is coming down at this hour, and it is beginning to at least dampen the camera lens there at that particular spot here this evening. Let's see if we've got to pull another one up here. Let's see. Working with that one. It's not being particularly exciting. Here we go. Here's a good view. Well, I've switched it to you already. We had the view already pulled up. This is the Morgantown Skycam out of Butler County this evening. You can see the roads are wet, not necessarily slick yet. Traffic is moving okay this evening, again, as we approach 7 o'clock on this Monday evening, the first night of meteorological winter, and Mother Nature said, I'm going to be right on schedule. What Well, I'm not sure if you're with us. We had a very strange glitch there. I'm not sure why the... Just checking a few things. Okay, we seem to be back. Let me know if you've got us. We had a bit of an issue there. I'm not sure what happened. Let us, let me know if you're seeing it, because that was very strange. I haven't, only a couple times have seen that happen before, where we just drop out in the middle of it. So, we should be somewhere in, well... All right, well, we're having a few issues here, so if I drop out, just see what I can try to work on through. But anyway, there you see the traffic moving in Morgantown this evening from the Butler County view there. You can see everything is working.